Hello. So today I got this handmade, so that means it's a buy cheap day. Okay, on this says solder wire, so it should be solder wire inside, and this, well, I don't know, electronic components. So yeah, so let's see. First, this, the unknown. And I have a static bag. And I have 518 650 PCB charger for 18650 batteries. Now the reason that I bought this is because lately I kind of feel the need to have a separate charger for this kind of batteries. So probably this, I'm going to use it only for charge the battery. I'm going to mount it on a plate and make like a thing where I put in the batteries and charging it like that. That will replace using my hobby charger, which is a dedicated charger, but this comes with all these wires and it's more difficult to charge, and it can charge only one pack on one cell at a time. Here I have like 5 of them. If I do like 5 battery holders, I can charge like 5 of them at once. This is more complex and I don't really need that every day. So that's it. Okay, so the next one is this solder, which for metal comes very well packed. It kind of amused me because it's just wire rod. Let's pack it this way. Now this has a very, I like how it looks like. Now I bought 2 of these because the price was very good for it. The same, I bought some solder from the local store. We have some local store here that they will sell you stuff from China, and the solder that I brought from them is not really working well. Well, it has a very high point of melt, and the other that I bought, it can melt it once and after that you cannot melt it anymore. I don't know what really happens. Anyway, I bought this for a very cheap price. I hope it's a quality solder. Anyway, and the package says Germany, but I don't know if this came from China into Germany and after that it was sent to me. But I'm gonna try and solder and use one of these right now and see how it works. Okay, so first I have my solder here. This is what I have from a very long time. This is a very good solder, and how you see this solder has like, I don't know, 10 years or more, the lot that I brought, and it's finished right now. Okay, and how you see it's still shiny, It's more like the one that I bought right now. This one I bought it from the local store. You see it's like oxidized, and put it among the one that I bought right now. It clearly that it's a lot more oxidized, and this will go once, and after that I'm not able to solder with it or desolder. And this one as well, I bought it. This one I bought it from the local store. Chinese things, cheap things in that store, and this is I think I can use it once if I need it, but it's not. I prefer not. And this one I bought it from the other store, and how you see is not shiny. It's a little thicker. It's oxidized as well, and this I cannot. I barely can melt it with my soldering iron. So let's see. And with my old solder, I just put it and it just works. Now I have some rosin here. And that's it. I can do this over and over again. It will always melt, and the tip, and it will leave my tip intact. Now this is right now it's hardened, and if I want to put the tip in and melt it again, it will just melt instantly. And I'm gonna try and solder with this solder. Now at first it works, but I already feel it because the wire is hot. I already feel it that I need a lot more heat to heat this one and try and to have the same result. Now after some while, I can like manage it. And if you see, it melts at a very high point of thermic point. I don't know if you noticed, the tip is still clean, but it already melt my wire and all that. Now if I want to melt it again, it's still not melted. Right now a little, and it will melt just the now this one has a higher melting point than the other one, and it's very difficult to work with it. It already hold the wire until my hand it's burning out, and It's just not going to happen. And that's it. I cannot melt this anymore. This is kind of like one-time deal. I cannot melt this anymore. Now, the thing is that it's kind of destroying the tip. You see, it's not like shiny like before. And I need to clean it up with this solder. So this is like one-time deal, and it will destroy my tip. Now the other one that I have, it's probably the same, only that it's more thicker and it will need more heat. And you already see that it's very difficult to solder with this solder. The moment I get my tip out of the solder, it just goes hard. And that's it. Yeah, it didn't even pass until the other side. And this one too destroys my tip. So yeah, this is the two bad solders I have. I'll probably throw this away. Now this I bought it from eBay. Okay, if you see here, my tip is already oxidized from that crap. Okay, so I can tell from the first instant this is better than the one I bought from the local store. I think it's safe to say it's like my quality one or better. And leaves the tip perfect. You see here it's just applying the soldering iron and just sticks on it. Okay, so this is quality solder. I'm really damn happy with it because I kind of started to getting concerned about finding quality solder. I mean, I can found it, but I paid like a very small amount, I don't remember the money for this. And one of these, if you want a quality solder, it will be like 10 euros in this country. And I think I paid like 4 euros for both of them, something like that. I'm gonna take a look right now. Now, this is quality solder, and they are not lying on the web about it. Okay, so these are the charging motor for the lithium batteries. 5 pieces, 5 volts, micro USB 1 amp, 18650 lithium battery charger board, charger module new. I paid for it $1.80 from Satisfy Electronics, and it was free shipping. Now, I made another review about this, so I'm not going to do it again, but it says here some description and things like that. The solder is this one, 0.8 millimeter 6337 grams rosin core solder, thin lead flux soldering welding iron wire. Well, I don't know what this is, 6337, but I think is the mix between the rosin and the core. The rosin, the core is the mix between the rosin and the solder. Now I think 63 is the solder and 37 is the core, and that means 37% it will be rosin, which is good because it will stick better to the PCB or to the wire or what you need to solder. Now one of these was 167. I bought 2 of these, and this number here was that kind of like convinced me to buy it. I think I'm going to buy another one, and it comes from Bruce Shark. It was free shipping, and it got to me very quickly. Now in the description of this, doesn't really says nothing. Condition: brand new, unused, unopened, undamaged item. Yeah, it's a piece of wire. Same as price show. Shape same as the picture show. Good soldability. Yes, I like that. Isolation resistance, no spattering, and no corrosive. Non-corrosive, that it's very important. Non-corrosive, because if it's corrosive it will corrode your tip. Widely used in electronical and electronics, solder parts like circuit boards, electronic device and others. Specifications: well, 6337 rosin core solder flux 2%, and wire diameter 0.8 millimeters, 50 grams. So I got 50 grams for $167. That's a good price. Now I said 6337 rosin core solder was the ratio between the flux and the solder, but says here it's 2% flux, so I don't know what this 6337 is. I think it's the mix into the solder itself. Anyway, this is okay, and it has my positive feedback. Thank you for watching. Bye.